Okay, hello. How are you guys? I'm gonna teach you how I've made this video. This video got 90,000 views,
sure?
293
Relax, your mom's gonna
likes.
kill me. No! She's gonna kill me. Not a word.
Okay, so simply I'm gonna try explain to you as fast as I can, hopefully less than 5 minutes. Okay, so what I've done is I went on ChatGPT. ChatGPT, what I've asked it for, I needed a setting for the household. Okay, got my setting for the household. Then I wanted my characters, so I got my character sheets, one child and one man. Okay, once I've done that, I got these things, and I went straight to Claude. I uploaded the images on Claude straight away. Boom. Hoover, the product, the two characters, and the setting, and then I fed in this prompt. As you can see, you can, if you need to pause the video, you can pause the video and take your time and watch it. Okay, cool. I added that stuff. The next things I've done was straight away, it gave me a PDF, not a PDF, but some file with all the prompts in it. That gave me so it gave me the prompts. So what you can do with the prompts straight away is you can upload this onto an image generator. That's going to give you the storyboard on how it's going to visually look already, so you don't have to upload it on Seedance or things straight away. Okay, once I got my stuff easily, I copied it, I went to Higgsfield, and boom, I pasted it right here. Okay, including the product, the setting, the two character references, and that's it. Literally, that's it. It took me this long. Basically, it's a very simple process, and I ended up making a video just like that. It's literally the same exact video, nothing added, nothing changed. That's it. Anyways, if you like this tutorial and you want more, like and subscribe. There's more to come there. Inshallah, take care. Assalamu alaikum.